Okay, today we have a customer says, high amp not working. Okay, when I check it out, it's on protection light on. So now we're gonna unplug the RCA jack and turn it off again, and then see if this one comes on. Now I unplugged it, RCA jack, and then let's turn it on. Ignition, please.
Turn the ignition?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, still on the protection. That means output of amp went out. So we're about to replace to the Hyponics and see what's going on. Okay, so let me test the speaker one by one with the battery right here. Okay, positive, negative. You have a popping noise, that means they not blown out. Okay, this one is good. Okay, this one is good. Okay, this one not working. So that's the one that blew out your amp.
Okay.
Okay, now we put the new amp. Okay, we just put the high amp back in, mounting on, and then we're gonna see if the speakers have a sound, and then the light is green. So the other one, the speaker output burned out. That's why you have a protection on.